everyone in Australia will have access to COVID-19 vaccines.
Operation Inoculation is about to begin.
Each vaccine must get the tick of approval.
Pfizer's jab officially given the green light. The timing not lost on the PM.
It's a year today since the first case of COVID-19 in Australia.
Today's decision paves the way for a months-long rollout, but getting the first batch here is taking longer than expected.
We're more looking at late February than mid-February now.
The Prime Minister last year was saying that Australia was at the front of the queue. That's not true.
Australia secured 10 million jabs, enough for 5 million people. In the initial phase, about 80,000 doses will be delivered and administered each week.
It'll start at small scale, it'll build up.
First in line, those working in frontline healthcare and hotel quarantine, as well as aged and disability care workers and residents. They'll be followed by adults over the age of 70, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people over 55 and critical workers like police, fire and emergency services. By October, it's hoped everyone over the age of 16 will be vaccinated.
The TGA being a world-class regulator, it has met the strictest and the highest standards for safety, efficacy and quality.
While Pfizer's the first, most Australians will rely on AstraZeneca's vaccine. But it too is facing supply shortages. The first doses won't arrive until mid-March. Unlike Pfizer though, this one can then be made onshore.
Once we get the local onshore production going, we will start to have a totally reliable supply chain.
Today's approval is the next big step in the battle to control COVID-19, but there are still several unknowns, including how long the protection from these vaccines lasts and whether they prevent transmission of the disease. The Prime Minister is managing expectations, warning the rules and restrictions still governing our lives are unlikely to be relaxed any time soon.
Of itself, it is not a silver bullet.
For now, though, it's our best hope. Jane Norman, ABC News, Canberra.